Morrissey to Bufflin. Reverses to Paul Stastny. Under a minute to go. Laine moves in. He shoots. He scores. There's that shot we talked about. Patrik Laine. What a release. And Winnipeg, with a 1-0 lead, his 36th goal of the season. Ties his season last year.
Just an unbelievable shot. That thing was in the net so fast. Lundqvist stopped his first 15 shots, and then that one. Wow, what a release. There it is again, and Lundqvist could hardly move before that puck was.
40, Evgeny Malkin, second with 37. Tyler Seguin and Patrik Laine. Here's Laine, he scores! Wow, that's 38.
That is unbelievable.
Yeah, what a shot.
He's got about 15 guests here from Finland, including his father, who is in that group. And he gets his kind of space. Sherratt, the defenseman, and now look at him skate and gets to the open, and there it is. I mean, it's just a bullet of a shot.
His wrist shots are faster, harder than most slap shots. Steve Mason. He's made 30, and that one is in! Patrik Laine with his first hat trick of the season, his fourth career hat trick, and what a way to put an exclamation point on it for his father and friends from Finland.
Right off the face-off, and he drilled it in from about 120 feet. Just turns, fires.
It wasn't dead center.
Almost in the middle.
Oh man, this guy is something.